Welcome to the final leg of our journey. We've reached Belém, a riverside district where the horizon once whispered of new worlds and untold riches. Our first stop is the Mosteiro dos Jerónimos, a masterpiece of Manueline architecture and a symbol of Portugal's power during the Age of Discovery. Funded by the wealth of the spice trade, its cloisters are carved with nautical motifs, ropes, coral, and the cross of the Order of Christ. It is the final resting place of the legendary explorer Vasco da Gama, who spent his last night in Lisbon praying on this very ground. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Walking along the river, we find the iconic Belém Tower. Built in the 16th century, it served as both a fortress and a ceremonial gateway. This galleon, petrified in stone, has seen explorers depart and conquerors return, standing firm for over 500 years. Nearby, the monument to the discoveries stands as a modern tribute to the men who charted the unknown. Prince Henry the Navigator leads 33 figures of history, from explorers and scientists to poets and cartographers. At its base, a giant marble map traces the routes of the Portuguese caravels as they sailed into history. No visit to Belém is complete without a taste of its most famous secret, the pastel de Belém. Created by monks in the 18th century, the original recipe is still a closely guarded secret, known only to a few master bakers. Belém is where the spirit of adventure is etched into the very skyline, a place that reminds us of the human drive to explore. From the narrow alleys of Alfama to the grand squares of Baixa and the historic shores of Belém, Lisbon is a city of layers. It is a city that honors its past while embracing its future, a city that always knows how to welcome you home. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of Lisbon. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this beautiful city with us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.